Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern kitchen with an open concept design, featuring natural materials and a warm, inviting atmosphere. The room is illuminated by soft, natural light streaming through large glass windows that frame a lush garden filled with vibrant pink bougainvillea flowers. The color palette consists of earthy tones, such as rich browns from the wooden cabinetry, gray from the stone countertops, and pops of green from surrounding plants. The kitchen island is a centerpiece, made of reclaimed wood with high-backed, woven bar stools. Open shelving displays glassware and ceramic dishes, adding a touch of personal style. A luxurious outdoor kitchen and dining area nestled within a lush tropical setting, emphasizing a modern yet rustic aesthetic. The scene captures a sleek, high-end grill setup surrounded by dark stone surfaces and warm wooden accents. Subtle ambient lighting creates an inviting glow as dusk approaches, highlighting the textures of the stone and the sheen of the polished surfaces. Lush green foliage, including palm trees and large leaves, frames the area, enhancing the tropical vibe. A spacious dining table with elegant chairs is set within a partially open structure, seamlessly blending the indoors and outdoors. Outdoor kitchen setup in a lush tropical garden, featuring a spacious wooden dining table surrounded by elegant chairs, all set beneath a bamboo-covered patio showcasing natural textures. The kitchen area, with rich wooden cabinetry, exudes a warm, inviting aesthetic, complemented by modern appliances. Soft, ambient lighting from hanging pendant lamps creates a cozy atmosphere. Surrounding the space are vibrant green plants and flowers, adding splashes of color with pink and lush foliage. Outdoor kitchen setup in a lush tropical garden, featuring a spacious wooden dining table surrounded by elegant chairs, all set beneath a bamboo-covered patio showcasing natural textures. The kitchen area, with rich wooden cabinetry, exudes a warm, inviting aesthetic, complemented by modern appliances. Soft, ambient lighting from hanging pendant lamps creates a cozy atmosphere. Surrounding the space are vibrant green plants and flowers, adding splashes of color with pink and lush foliage. The ground is paved with smooth stones, leading towards the dining area, while soft sunlight filters through the tree canopy, creating a serene, idyllic setting. A lush tropical kitchen scene blending indoor and outdoor spaces, featuring a modern, open design with a dark stone countertop and wooden cabinetry. The kitchen is adorned with tropical plants, creating a vibrant green backdrop. A large dining table crafted from rustic wood sits prominently, set for a meal with bright yellow and orange fruits. Above, hanging pendant lights emit a warm glow, complementing the natural light filtering through the foliage. The space includes a cozy seating area with dark wicker furniture beneath a thatched roof, all set against a serene jungle backdrop. A modern, open-concept kitchen designed with a seamless indoor-outdoor flow, featuring rich wooden cabinetry and dark stone countertops. The scene is bathed in warm, golden sunlight filtering through expansive windows, emphasizing the lush greenery outside. Numerous potted plants and hanging ferns create a vibrant, organic atmosphere. A spacious island with rustic stools invites social interaction, adorned with colorful fruits and artisanal kitchenware. The ceiling showcases elegant wooden beams, while stylish, woven pendant lights add a touch of warmth. Bright, open-concept luxury kitchen leading to an outdoor pool area, characterized by a seamless flow from interior to exterior. The kitchen features a spacious island with elegant granite countertops and stylish bar seating, illuminated by hanging lanterns. Large glass doors provide a panoramic view of lush greenery and a shimmering pool, enhancing the sense of tranquility. Warm, natural light floods the space, highlighting rich wood tones in the flooring and cabinetry. A combination of modern appliances and subtle decor elements creates a harmonious balance. A spacious, modern kitchen bathed in warm, natural light, featuring a blend of minimalist and tropical aesthetics. The scene showcases sleek, stainless steel appliances, including a large refrigerator and high-end stove. The cabinetry is a rich wood tone, contrasting beautifully with the textured concrete wall. A central island with a plush gray couch and rustic wooden stools invites relaxation. Around the kitchen, lush greenery spills in from large glass walls, creating a seamless connection to the outdoor tropical garden. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on the light-colored stone floor. Modern architectural design, seamless indoor-outdoor living space, expansive glass walls with dark metal framing, warm wooden beams overhead, sleek concrete elements, stylish kitchen with minimalist decor, inviting lounging area with plush cushions, tranquil swimming pool reflecting the sunlight, surrounded by lush green palm trees and tropical plants, warm evening light casting soft shadows, color palette of earthy tones, muted grays, and rich browns, hyperrealistic style capturing intricate details and textures, an atmosphere of relaxation and sophistication. Modern outdoor living space featuring a two-story structure combining concrete and glass elements, with an open-plan kitchen and dining area on the lower level, complete with wooden furniture and lush greenery. The scene is set in a tropical environment, with vibrant foliage surrounding the space. Warm yellow lights illuminate the kitchen, highlighting rustic textures and a cozy atmosphere. The upper level showcases a stylish lounge area with large windows, offering a view of the outdoors. The overall aesthetic is a blend of modern minimalism and bohemian charm, accentuated by natural materials and earthy tones.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.